I'm LPS Megan Rock, and well, it's a stormy night tonight, so I thought it'd be weird. 5 minutes away, I have to go to bed, so I'd record this. It's been stormy for the whole day. Oh, there's a strike over there. I didn't catch it, but I catch the brightness. It's getting bright. This is the first time ever catching lightning. It's just constant, over and over. It's getting louder and louder. Wow. Flying. It's raining. It's lightning. And all that stuff. We had dinner out here and stuff like that. We had spaghetti bolognese. It's amazing. How the heck is that dot? Yay. Tell me in the comments down below if you see this dot following the camera. Don't know what that is. Whoa. Make sure to hit that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Looks like something happened because sirens are going off. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell button in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did that, comment I subscribed. And the sirens are going off. Did something happen? What is a storm? My power isn't around or anything. Is that an ambulance or a police car? Please tell me in the comments down below because they have this different sound, but I think they're the same. Thank you all so much for watching. Enjoy your night or day. And I'll see you next video. Bye.